In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank accounts in Xero, and we'll guide you through the process step by step to make it as quick and seamless as possible. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Xero accounting software. If you're already familiar with this, you know the drill. Head over to the Xero login page, enter your registered email and password, and then click on the Login button. Once successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in the Xero dashboard. This is the control center where you'll be able to manage various accounting processes. Now, let's focus on adding that bank account. On your dashboard, look for the Accounting tab at the top of the page and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Bank Accounts. Once you're on the Bank Accounts page, you'll notice an option to Add Bank Account. Click on this. At this point, you have two choices. You can either connect your bank directly through Xero's system or choose to add the bank account manually. If you're linking directly, Xero offers a drop-down or a search box to find your bank. Simply select your bank from this list. After choosing your bank, you should see an option to agree and continue. This step involves connecting your bank account securely to Xero. Input your bank's login details such as user ID and password. All you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions to log into your online banking and seamlessly integrate with Xero. You'll then choose the specific accounts you'd like to share and confirm the starting date from which you'd like Xero to begin importing transactions. Once done, click Finish. That's it, your bank is now connected to your Xero account. For those of you opting to add the account manually, click on Add Without Bank Feed. You'll then be prompted to continue, and from there you can fill in the necessary account details manually. Ensure that all details such as your account name, bank name and account number are entered correctly before you proceed. Finally, click on Add Account. Your bank account will be manually added to your Xero account. And there you have it, a new bank account integrated into your Xero accounting software with either method you choose. This process should make it easier to track your business expenses and manage your finances efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and happy accounting. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on using Xero effectively.